Hey, Kevin, you have 4 screwdrivers, but only 2 hands.
Well, it all depends on how truly screwed you are as to how many screwdrivers you actually need. These are just plain old screwdrivers. They're from Snap-on, doesn't really matter. But you can see the difference in the handles. This is a very old screwdriver. This is a much newer one. The handle's more sculpted. It fits your hand better. It's not quite as painful to hold as this one is. But they're just basic screwdrivers. But now this is just a variation on a screwdriver. And you think, what the heck can you do with that? How can you change the screwdriver? You hold it in your hand, you turn it, you put a screw in or take it out. This is actually a ratcheting screwdriver. You don't have to sit there and just kill your wrist. You can just back and forth just a little tiny bit. And the head just keeps turning. And it goes in, it goes out. Or you can just lock it so it's just like a regular screwdriver if you really want to get some torque on it. If you really have something that's stuck and you want to break it loose. But then you can just flip it to the ratcheting side and get it in, get it out really quick and easy. That's how it ratchets to put something in. Or you just turn this little collar the other way and now it ratchets in the opposite direction. A couple other handy little features on it. The bits are removable. And it also has a magnet buried inside here. So if you're working with like 1/4-inch nuts or screws that have a hex head on them instead of a Phillips or a straight slot, as long as it's 1/4-inch, it'll fit in there. It's real handy if you're working like down in a hole. You got a nut down in there, you can put it in the end of the screwdriver to get it started or take it back out to get it up out of that hole again. And they also include inside this little cap a storage compartment for other little bits, different size bits, flatheads, different size Phillips. You can also get like Torx bits, for those odd little star-shaped screws. Anything with a 1/4-inch drive will fit in this screwdriver and allow you to use it. They do actually come in a variety of sizes, lengths, and what have you. The little stubby screwdriver does not have a storage compartment in it, but it does have the same magnet buried inside the shaft with removable bits, and it's ratcheting. Now, where do you get them? This is not an endorsement for Snap-on. Trust me, they are not paying for this. I bought this screwdriver out of my own pocket money, so this is no way endorsing them. I just like quality tools. I find Snap-on to be one of the best out there. But any of the Snap-on trucks will have these screwdrivers. And you can get online, go to snapon.com. You can order it right from the website as well. Snap-on does not have the exclusive on these. There are many other different brands of ratcheting screwdrivers out there. You just have to go find them. The big box stores, the big orange store, the horrible freight store, they all have them out there. Cost-wise, gosh, just guessing, they start down in like the $20 range. They can go up a little over $100 for one of these. If you like quality tools, if you like, if you work with your hands, if you work with your tools all day long, this is really going to help your wrist. It's going to help with carpal tunnel, what have you, so you don't get it. And it just makes life a whole lot easier to just turn a little rather than having to keep moving your hand and going roundy, roundy, roundy. So hopefully that'll help you tighten up your screws or loosen them, whatever you need. I do appreciate you watching. Don't forget to hit that like button for me, and I'll see you next time. So just go ahead and add a little fun to your screwing and put a ratchet on the end of your tool.